Hey there, do you want to make your money work for you instead of just sitting around? Well, welcome to Stick Nation, where we make smart moves with our money. Many people work hard for money, but they never let money work for them. They keep all their cash in a savings account, earning close to nothing. Inflation eats away at your savings every year, making your money worth less and less. But what if I told you there's a way to make your money grow? It's called investing. Instead of letting your money collect dust, investing helps it multiply over time. Investing means putting your money into assets that grow in value, like stocks, real estate, or even businesses. The longer you invest, the bigger your returns can be, thanks to something called compound interest. Compounding is like planting a seed. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Waiting too long to invest means missing out on years of growth. Even small investments today can turn into big rewards in the future. The choice is yours. Stay stuck or start investing. So what are you waiting for? Start your investment journey now and let your money work for you. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart money tips. See you next time on Stick Nation.